my evidence. Okay, I'm gonna let him go ahead if you want to wave him.
All right, so go ahead, and we are recording.
Okay, here we are in the McLAREN 570S. This should be exciting to see what the British have got to pound out.
All right, easy. Yep, then we're gonna go forward. I got your mirrors.
Okay. Yeah, you can tell I'm used to driving and like checking my blind spot. This is so unique, though. I like the layout of this McLaren.
So, right away, you should be able to tell they've got a lot of forward visibility.
Yes.
And that's kind of one of the things I like the most about the car.
Yeah, has its own challenge accepted in a way.
And so, they're kind of a weird company, right?
Mm-hmm.
So you've got your multimedia apps here, and you can go through some of them. You were used to be able to, and unfortunately not in this one, is bring up the rear view camera when you're driving.
Oh yeah.
But we don't have that.
No hard feelings.
But
we're looking.
it's kind of fun, and it's weird. It's not a bad interface.
No, not at all.
Which some of these cars you struggle to find stuff, but yeah, this is really good. Max.
Yeah, I love the dash area pretty much too.
So the reason they do stuff like this is to cut down on glare.
Yeah.
So that's usually in a sports package, and that's one of the principal reasons they use the Alcantara on the dash stuff, and on the grip, if you have gloves on, it's like Velcro.
That's true. Huh. Yeah, definitely, without a doubt, it's such a sweet feeling. Plus, too, I love the leather on this to relax your arm.
Yep, it's again, it's a very comfortable, very ergonomic car to be in.
Right? That's always been a way the Brits have always done it in a way. Have their own unique luxury.
But then they can't do it normal because the seat controls are on the inside.
Right?
So like, what? How can we can't? Nope, I guess not. It's like the handbrake in the Aston Martin.
That's true.
What is going on with that?
Right? It's on its own league right now.
So, a lot of people like the big McLarens, the 675 LT, the P1, the Senna.
Mm-hmm.
And I think they're not wrong. But it's important to remember that this is such a fun car to drive.
It looks like
it's
it,
exciting, and I think you're really going to enjoy it.
For sure. Holy cow. I like how they have the windshield wipers and indicators too, just looking at all this.
Yep, and it's just like it's spooned out.
Yep.
And it's as nice to look at as it is to drive.
Exactly. I do love all the instrument panels too, just telling you all the different things like the information right by the tires and all that. There's a lot of good stuff on this.
So look, we've got a almost full gas tank and we have 40 miles range.
I wonder why.
This thing gets like less than a mile per gallon on track.
Hummer challenge accepted.
Yeah, exactly.
I remember when I'm, again, referring to Top Gear, I remember when they took a Prius and an M3 or M5, whichever one of the two, and kept racing to see which one was more economical. And it was actually pretty funny. And they're like, if you're looking for something economical, get an M3 or M5.
Yeah.
All right, clear to go?
So let's hang back just a little bit.
Okay.
But we will keep moving. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, this thing's got the acceleration, I can tell, just like the others. It's like, come out and play.
So again, we're going to leave a little bit of gap so we can accelerate.
Sure.
And hopefully the guys will do it. So just lag back for just a little bit.
Sure. Yeah, it feels like the brake and gas are pretty close to each other in this.
Because again, we won't be able to probably pass that Mercedes.
No, that's fine. As long as I get to have a blast, it's all that matters, you know? Gotta get that.
Really kind of weave for a little bit. Feel that steering for me.
Yeah.
Up and around the track.
I don't want to look like I'm drunk while driving.
Ah, don't worry. They know.
Yeah. Is this guy driving himself right now? Let's see how it does around the course. It does pretty well, too.
Isn't that nice? It's got really great road manners. It's very light, but very grippy.
It's kind of like behaved in a way, too. I gotta say, this one has its own league.
So the Lambo feels a little heavy, right? That's a mid-engine.
Yep.
And the Corvette is very well refined, but you can see that this is a bit different.
Definitely. Well, yeah, other than that, it's just such an enjoyable experience taking this on. Oh, yeah. It's got thrills.
We're going to keep an eagle eye on this guy in the back.
What's that?
Hopefully he'll point us by shortly.
Right. If not, we'll just play follow leader, I guess.
Yeah, no worries. Again, we're out to have some fun.
Yeah, we're having a good time. It's all that matters.
So hold out a little bit and now start to turn in.
Yep.
And for the Ferrari, we're going to want to bank out and get real straight. Let's off just a little bit. Let him get ahead.
Okay. The brakes are excellent on this too.
Oh, yeah. All right, so hang on to this side. A little more over here.
Over your way?
Yep. Nope.
Oh, okay. I thought he was going to let us pass. My bad.
He will in just a moment. Probably at the end of this.
Okay.
We'll go around him.
Yeah, I was like, it's
All right, let's hustle over here.
Okay.
Here we go. I'm going to help you.
Yep,
Just
go
keep
ahead.
accelerating. Keep accelerating. Keep
Yep, we'll do. Thanks. Thank you.
Very good.
Yeah, thanks for that. It's just really weird when you got someone taking the wheel
No,
for you.
you
It's
did
like,
awesome. Give it a good shot.
you got it, dude.
What do you think?
Woo! Woo! This thing just wants to come out.
Yeah, a little bit of brake, right? This is a sports car.
Yeah, this is something we all been anticipating from McLaren.
Exactly. And
That's
it's fun. It's playful.
Yeah, it's like finally something that wants to say, let's do this.
Hang on one second. Come off throttle real quick. I'm just going to get this Ferrari by.
Okay. Oh, dang, I heard that coming.
And we'll
Good.
follow him.
I love how you guys give that gesture symbol like it's a live concert,
Well, we do that, so it's like, hey man, good pass. Thanks for doing that.
right?
Just
Courtesy.
keep in mind, everybody's paying to drive, and we don't want to hold people up.
Exactly.
And so if someone's faster, we like to get them out there.
Exactly. I was surprised. It's like I can hear the Ferrari coming, but dang,
They sound good. They sound amazing when you're in it.
tell me about it.
But what I want to do is so you can see, you know, the difference in how they look at the same engine, mid-engine, rear-wheel drive, and how they approach it.
Yeah, and I greatly appreciate that by all means because it really gets you out there to see a difference and be prepared.
This is awesome. So we're gonna have a good run down the straight.
For
This
sure.
is one of the faster cars we have.
That's what I was hoping for. I'm like, I respect that one you got it past, you know, but it's like, man, I really want to unleash this thing.
And we're coming here. So let that car get nice straight. We're gonna start adding that power. Start adding that
Let's
power.
hear it.
Hands on the 9 and 3. And go, baby, go. Well, power, baby.
Yeah, you can tell it's just basically lifting you up in a way.
A little more nice. And then hugging right around this corner. So how'd you feel that power? It just
That
comes.
G-force was
And it
just
keeps
calling
coming.
for it. I absolutely agree with it. It's like, I love the feeling of it.
And roll back into that power. There it is. Yes. Just a little bit brake. A little bit more. You got about 50. Perfect. Lift off that brake and just coast through. Watch what happens.
Yes, sir.
It's just nice and light and fun.
I feel like you're flying.
Gently add a little power. Gently, 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 gently. And give me a shot. How fun. It's light. It's very good.
Jeez, I'm impressed by this one.
Going around there, we're looking at that cone, and we're looking ahead to that next one now, right? We're keeping our eyes up. Add just a little bit of throttle, just a little bit, just a little bit. Isn't that amazing?
Yeah, definitely. It's like reality finally without dreaming or video gaming.
We're just playing in 4K right now.
Yeah. Basically forward player
And
multi.
just add a little throttle. Watch, not a
Yeah.
lot, just a little. And see how nicely steady. It's just so fun.
Yep. I was just gonna say I don't want to give it too much adrenaline.
Well, enjoy it. Have fun. Do what you want. I'm gonna keep you safe. Don't worry.
Yep. What it just takes is just getting it down for sure.
Nice, 50, perfect through here, right in the middle. Just hug that and just add a tiniest bit of throttle.
For
Really
sure.
enjoy how the car steers through it. Good, very good. Nice.
Yeah, thank you.
All right, last time down that straight. Let's set right out and go, baby, go. So,
Yeah.
what do you think about the Pride of England here?
I have to say the Brits finally did it right.
I agree. I
like-
agree. We're going to be going right into those blue cones.
Sure.
That
I
was
did-
our section. That Ferrari's got one more.
Yeah, it's all good. I can tell the brakes definitely got to work on this one.
So the squeak is the high performance brake pads. That's what they do
Okay.
because they're designed to work at a higher temperature,
Sure.
and so you get that grip up high, but it's not as good down low.
Right. Yeah, definitely another thrill ride for sure. I can't believe this one. It's like, yow. Good times, no doubt.
You went like so on the first time of that Mustang. You were barely getting like 130, and that car is very capable.
You're right.
Now we're getting like 150 pretty regular in all these cars.
Thank you.
Very good. So we're gonna follow that.
Yeah, I figured too, like we were talking about, the Mustang just has that back root awakening for how just That's
but I
why.
mean, I felt like the Mustang's also so surprising because it is so good on the track. You'd think it's going to be good straight, and it is.
Yep.
But it's even good in the corners.
That's true. That's why
So
I
it's
just.
a little bit of wheel this way, and then point it
Okay.
right here. Perfect. And with this car, there's no parts. You get neutral.
Okay. That's when I saw it say N. I was like,